Hello friends, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices and use them when necessary. Today I want to show you how to make scrambled egg, and we are preparing it with ugali. Let's get into the kitchen and start cooking together. Our ingredients today are, we have eggs, 4 eggs, we have tomatoes, we have hoho, we have dania and onions. Let's get into the kitchen and start preparing our eggs together with ugali. And I have 2 pots cooking at the same time. We start by adding our cooking oil. Then we add onions. In my next pot, I'm boiling water. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. Please support me by subscribing. We have to cover our pots, and this is onion cooking. We cover for only 3 minutes. Our onion is ready. Now I'm going to add tomatoes, together with hoho. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider doing so that you can support me. I think this is the most simplest recipe which you can try in your house, in your home. These are my 4 eggs. And because I'm going to add salt to my tomatoes, I'm not going to use salt here. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And cover again for 2 minutes. My water is boiling. As you can see, we are going to make ugali in my next pot. We are adding our coriander, that is dhania. And here we are preparing ugali. And then we add our eggs. And stir our mixture. And it's best for supper. And of course, I must reduce heat. This is how our eggs looks like. And they are ready. Let's turn off our gas. Our kavagara here is almost done. I'm done with cooking and our kavagara is here. It's already cooked. And because we have cooked together, let's also serve together. And this is how our food looks like. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, comment, share, and like. Let's meet to the next video. Bye bye.